Encouraging and honouring pressmen, a reception and presentation program was held today at Fahumlok Freedom Hill, Phayeng, under Imphal West. Phayeng Gram Panchayat organized the event. Journalists from various media houses were honoured during the program. Protesting against Education as Department's October 5 order allowing schools to collect 30% school fee from students for April 2020, the All Manipur Students' Union AMSU today locked the Office of Education as Directorate located at Lamphel, Imphal. E-commerce site Flipkart was caught in a social media storm after misinterpreting the cultural attire of various tribes in Nagaland and selling costumes that were nowhere near the appropriate traditional wear of the state, a media report said. Yet again, the multi-billion-dollar worth e-commerce giant has met a blunder demonstrating its ignorance about Nagaland. With Naga peace talks caught in deadlock, the Nagaland government has called for a consultative meeting with all the stakeholders on October 15. The state government has invited all the stakeholders for the crucial meeting to discuss the fate of the peace process, a government press release said. A one-day consultative interaction on framework agreement is underway at the Congress Bhavan in Imphal. The program is organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC). The framework agreement was signed between the Centre and NSC and IM on August 3, 2015. India today registered over 70,496 new COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to 69,06,152 and the death toll reached 1,06,490. The country recorded 971 deaths in the last 24 hours. With over 75,000 people recovering from COVID-19 every day in India, the country's recoveries are 6.3 times more than active cases of coronavirus, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Meanwhile, the global tally of coronavirus cases stands at 3.67 crore, while 27.55 crore have recovered and 1,64,373 individuals have died so far. Manipur Chief Electoral Officer CEO P.K. Singh today chaired an all-party meeting at the CEO Conference Hall, Lamphel, to discuss the preparedness of the forthcoming by-election to 5 constituencies in the state slated on November 7. Lilong, Wangjing-Tentha, Wangoi, Saitu and Singhat Assembly constituencies go to polls on November 7. The national flag was flown at half-mast in Delhi and capitals of all states and union territories as a mark of respect to Cabinet Minister Ram Vilas Paswan, who passed away yesterday. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs issued a notification in this regard yesterday. Manipur Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan Singh today condoled the demise of Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan. Sikkim to issue travel card for tourists coming to the state following the tourism unlock from October 10th. Previously, the state had opted for a compulsory COVID-19 negative certificate either issued by the ICMR or a valid certificate of RT-PCR testing. In a recent development, China has joined the COVAX vaccine alliance being spearheaded by the World Health Organization after initially being unwilling to join the program. According to media reports, China has 3 coronavirus vaccine candidates in the global race for a successful antidote. Over 150 COVID-19 vaccine candidates are in the race at present.